I am learning to slow down and enjoy these quiet moments with nature as the day gently turns into night. I like to fill my space with warmth and peace. A simple candlelight sets the tone for the night. I take a moment to read His Word. It enters my heart and reminds me of what truly matters. With a peaceful heart, I head to the kitchen. It's time to prepare a simple dinner. I start with marinating the chicken wings. A little love and flavor go a long way. In a grinding jar, I add fresh coriander leaves, mint leaves, parsley, a few garlic cloves, a pinch of salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. While the chicken grills, I quickly prepare some fresh vegetables on the side. A little crunch to go with the meal. I place the half cooked roti back on the pan, finishing it fresh before serving. After dinner, I take a few minutes to clean the kitchen, a small habit that keeps things fresh for the next day. Now it's time to change into my nightwear, a simple way to tell my mind it's time to relax. I quickly put the used clothes into the washing machine, small tasks that make tomorrow easier. A quick skincare routine, just simple steps to care for myself before I rest. Before I end the day, I take a few minutes to plan for tomorrow. I also check if today's to do list is complete, a small habit that keeps me on track. This is my office organizer. It helps me keep everything in place and my mind clutter free. A little organization makes planning easier and my workspace feel calm. Before I end the day, I take a moment for gratitude. Counting small blessings always bring peace. I have pinned my daily timetable on the wall. It saves me time and keeps my routine clear without rewriting it every day. Ending the day with a few pages of good book, a simple way to relax my mind. I set my alarm for tomorrow, and finally, it's time to rest. Grateful for today and ready for tomorrow. Good night.